In content measure, quite often you have to define a ROI, region of interest, for the measurement. There's multiple ways to do it. Um, you can just draw a new one, for example, rectangle one. I already did two, so this is going to be number 3. And if you draw one, you hover your mouse over the region when this symbol flashing, and you can right click on it. And there's to give you some options. You can either copy or cut or delete it or change the color, recolor it, change the font. But one of the really useful options here are just the position. If you click on it, you can actually define the ROI. For example, I want it to be perfect square, 20 by 20. You just type in the number 20 and by 20. And then you can move it around to the picture oriented by the coordinates. For example, if you have a set of image, you want to measure it at exactly the same location across the different images, you can just type in a location here, given the images are captured at the same resolution, etc. And I can just say I want it to 15 and I want it to go to 25. And once you click OK, the ROI is going to move to this region exactly match your need. If you wish to create a ROI from, for example, I want to measure something in this big white object within that one. So in this situation, you have to do a detection first. For example, we can just use the previous setting to detect it within the ROI. And then you can zoom into here and you can choose the object by using this one, select detect object. Click on that one, you can select this one. Once you select the object you detected, right click on it. You can create a ROI from the selected object. Once you click on that one, you can see it's ROI 4, number 4, is created based on the region you detected. It's very useful if you try to count something in that region. For example, this is a cell. I want to count how many of the labeling or shining spot I labeled in this cell. This would be very useful. You choose this as ROI. So later on, when you do measurement, you can take each of the ROI as one cell to count the things you are interested in.